Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the DNS server not responding on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task and select your connection. Select properties. Select this Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 in alternative DNS type 8844 and click on OK and just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands, just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys, thank you.